Okay, Python practice 1, exercise 26. I use a list comprehension to make a list of even numbers between a and b. So remember, the list comprehension had expression for iterator and sequence. Sequence as general syntax. So the expression here would be just a value of the iterator. Iterator could be I, and my sequence would be the range from A to B, let's say 0 to 10. Right? So the problem is 0 to 10 normally includes the 10, so I need to do +1 here. We only want to have even numbers, and there are two different ways. Either we work with if and else in the beginning of the list comprehension, and we have a simple if statement at the end of the list comprehension. We can check if not I modulo 2. There we go. So basically what this part is doing is if I modulo 2, right, then we know we have a number that is dividable by 2. The result will be 0 of the remainder, but 0 is taking as false. The opposite of false, or not false, is true. But then if a statement is true here, we execute the expression in the list comprehension. If it's not true, we skip, right? And so we basically say we have an not a number that is divisible by 2, so 1, 3, 5, then we not execute this if statement, so we don't give that value. But if the number is divisible by 2, right, the 0 becomes a true, and we execute here. But we can also say I plus 1 divisible by 2. So 2 plus 1, for example, is 3, right? The remainder of the division to 2 is 1. So 3 modulo 2 is 1. But 1 is a value different from 0, so that will be taken as true. And if the if statement is true, we execute the expression. There we go.